Everybody's gonna ask the recipe. Chocolate pudding with powdered milk. The easiest and fastest in the world. You need to learn it. For this recipe, we will need about 400 grams of condensed milk, a cup of milk. Remember that my cup here contains 210 milliliters. Half a cup of powdered milk, about 200 grams of heavy cream. You can mix it with a spoon or use a blend or mixer. To finish it, we will use half a cup of water and 18 grams of unflavored jello. First, we will hydrate this jello. Just put in the water and let it there for 5 minutes. It will get this texture. And then you can put in a pan or in the microwave so the jello can dissolve. The jello is already done and let's put it together with the cream that we have just made. Guys, this pudding is unbelievable good. It is delicious, super easy, fast, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. After mixing it, let's put in a greased form with oil. Don't worry that it won't taste like oil, okay? And take it to the fridge for 1 hour. Let's prepare the second phase of the pudding with 400 grams of condensed milk, 2.5 cups of milk, a cup of powdered cocoa. It is 50% dark. Let's mix very well and repeat the process with the unflavored jello. First we hydrate it and then we melt it in the microwave. Let's put them together and mix again. And our second step is done. My other pudding is already very hard. It has to be hard, guys, so we don't mix with the other pudding. Let's unmold a little bit with a spoon, as you can see on the video, and pour the other part of this pudding on it. The idea here is that the chocolate pudding goes around the white pudding. So very carefully push the sides of this pudding to guarantee that the chocolate pudding can go down around the white pudding. Now let's take it to the fridge for 4 hours or in the freezer for 2 hours. It will depend. I like to do it at night and eat it in the other day so it's easier to take care of it. Guys, look how beautiful it is and it is so delicious. Make it there that I guarantee you that you will fall in love with it. I'm cutting it so you can understand what I'm talking about. And tell me on the comment section where you're watching us from. I want to know how far this pudding can get. Oh, and I also want to know how can you rate me for this pudding from 0 to 10. Comment down here. And I'm leaving now. This was today's dish. I hope you liked it and see you on the next video.